Hey guys, Glenn here. In this video, we're going to be talking about one of the most frequently asked questions by Etsy sellers. Is free shipping worth it? And I'm here to give you my honest opinion on the matter, as I have both offered free shipping and charged shipping for my items. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you like making money on Etsy. Now let's go into it. First of all, it's important to know that Etsy offers a free shipping guarantee for your buyers that you can opt into or out of. This means that if a buyer purchases multiple items in your shop and the total is over $35, shipping is free for the buyer, which comes out of your pocket. I personally, for my shop, have the free shipping guarantee enabled. Let me tell you why. First, it boosts your ranking in search. I suggest that if you can design your shop's pricing around always offering this guarantee, it's going to help you in the long run. I don't see any reason not to have it, and for people that don't like it, they're probably just not pricing accordingly. Make sure you price your listings knowing that if they buy two $20 items, you'll be fronting that cost for the shipping. So if you need to get $20 each in order to make a profit margin that you want, charge an extra $2.50 additional per each item if, let's say, it usually costs about $5 to ship those two items. And then you're building it into your costs. There's many ways to do this. This is just one. The second reason I would always have free shipping guarantee on is it tends to sell a lot more items. When your customer goes to checkout, they'll see that if they spend $35, it's free shipping, giving you a chance to make an extra sale. In my experience, having this enabled has had customers order more additional items more often in order to get to that threshold, which really boosts my revenue. Now, you can also offer free shipping on single items as well. One of the biggest advantages is that it can help increase your sales. Many buyers are more likely to purchase from a shop that offers free shipping over one that doesn't. Additionally, offering free shipping can also help improve your shop's search ranking on Etsy, making it more visible to potential buyers. However, there are also potential drawbacks to offering free shipping on your items. One of the biggest is that it'll eat into your profit margin, obviously. So you'll need to factor in the cost of shipping when pricing your items to ensure that you're still making a profit. Another negative is if you put your price of your shipping into your item, it's going to make it seem much more expensive than other people's items that are in your same category. So they might not even click on your item, and they might click on the one that doesn't offer free shipping first because one's $9 and the other one's $15. Why would you click on that one? It does say free shipping on the bottom, but I feel like that doesn't really help too much. So is offering free shipping on Etsy worth it? Either offering free shipping guarantee or the single listings free shipping? It really depends on your individual shop and business model. But I would recommend experimenting with both different options, seeing what works best for you. That's what I did. For me, I charge a flat shipping rate and offer the free shipping guarantee. Keep in mind that my items are usually small and lightweight, so the benefit of a sale greatly outweighs my shipping costs because I'm about 90% margin. Some of my items are super cheap, like $3, $4. If I offered free shipping on those, I'd be in the poorhouse. So using this method really works for me. Customers usually buy a lot of items from me at the same time, making it worth it to burn the $5 to $8 for shipping to be able to get all that extra revenue. Now, I understand that everyone's shop isn't just like mine, and some people sell very heavy items like furniture, desks, chairs, all that other stuff. If you have a very heavy item, you might as well put free shipping in there. You're going to beat the algorithm, and you got to build it into your price anyway. So if it's like $150 to ship your chair that you made, and it's a $50 chair, make it a $200 chair, $199.99, because the free shipping is going to help you in the algorithm, and you're going to be that much better off for it. By the way, if you want to save a boatload of money in your shipping, watch this video next.